In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Weavy AI with Kling AI. We'll set up a simple workflow in Weavy, bring in a Kling model for images or video, connect it, and run the whole thing with confidence. Open Weavy AI in your browser. You'll land in your workspace with the left sidebar for tools and the main canvas for building flows. That canvas is where nodes live and connect, so keep it centered on your screen. If your workspace has multiple projects, make sure you're in the one where you want this flow to live. Create a new file or open an existing one you'd like to build on. A new file gives you a clean start. An existing file helps if you already have assets. Give it a clear name so you can find and reuse it later. Keeping related flows together helps with versioning and handoffs down the line. On the sidebar, choose either the image tools or the video tools based on what you plan to produce. Image tools focus on stills. Video tools handle motion and sequences. Choosing the right panel up front keeps your node list focused and easier to scan. You can switch panels at any time without losing your place. Within the image tool area, click into the search bar and type Kling. The search narrows the list to Kling AI options, which is faster than scrolling. This gets the right model in view quickly so you can stay in your building flow and avoid digging through long lists. From the results, pick a Kling AI model that matches your goal, then drag it onto the canvas. It appears as a node. Drop it where it logically belongs in your pipeline, after a prompt or a source asset, so your inputs can flow into it cleanly. If you see multiple Kling variants, pick the one aligned with your task and resolution needs. Start using the Kling node by connecting it. Drag from the output of your upstream step into the Kling input, then route the Kling output to whatever comes next. Look for connection highlights or warnings to confirm data types and formats align. Clean left-to-right connections make the flow easier to read and troubleshoot later. When everything looks connected, click Run to start the workflow. Watch the nodes execute in sequence and keep an eye on any status messages. Once it finishes, review the output on the canvas or in the preview panel to confirm the model and the flow are working end to end. And that's the process. Open Weavy, create or open a file, surface Kling via search, drop the model into your canvas, connect it, and run. With these steps, you can build repeatable image or video pipelines powered by Kling inside Weavy.